Lesson 72, multiple unit multipliers. So this lesson we're going to use what we've known already using one unit multiplier, but this time having to use it multiple times. It says the Ortegas want to replace the carpeting in some rooms for their home. They know the square footage of the room total 855 square feet. Since the carpeting is sold by square yard, they want to find the approximate number of square yards of carpeting they need to use. Use unit multipliers to perform the conversion. So you have 855 square feet. I'm going to put feet times feet, so I know I have two of those. I need to convert that to yards, square yards. I know that there are, in 1 yard, there's 3 feet. But that only takes care of the 1 foot. I need to get rid of the other foot. I need to multiply this by the same unit multiplier again, because now this foot label cancels out this foot label, and now I have square yards, because 1 yard times 1 yard is 1 square yard. And now I have 855 square yards divided by 9. 855 divided by 9 gives us 95 square yards. When you're dealing with square units, you're just using the same unit multiplier twice. Next one, concrete is delivered to a job site in cement trucks and is ordered in cubic yards. Ray is pouring a concrete driveway that is 18 feet wide, 36 feet long, and 4 inches or 1/3 of a foot thick. Ray calculates the volume of concrete he needs is 216 cubic feet. Use unit multipliers to find the number of cubic yards of concrete Ray needs in order. So we have your 216 cubic feet, but it has to be ordered in cubic yards. So again, I'm going to use the 1 yard is 3 feet, but I got to do that 3 times because I have cubic feet. So 1 yard over 3 feet and 1 yard over 3 feet. So now our labels, our feet cancel off. I'm left with 216 cubic yards divided by 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. So 216 divided by 27 will give us 8. So 8 cubic yards. Add some more practice. Here we got 9 square feet. I need to convert that to square inches, so I know that we have 12 inches in 1 foot. So 12 inches in 1 foot. Feet labels cancel off. I'm left with 12 times 12, which is 144, times 9 gives us 1,296 cubic inches, or square inches, I mean. Convert 9 square feet to square yards. So we got 9 feet times feet over 1 times, so yards, so 1 yard over 3 feet times 1 yard over 3 feet. Feet labels cancel off. I'm left with 9 divided by 9, which is 1 square yard. Convert 1 cubic meter to cubic centimeters. So 1 meter, I'm going to put it 3 times. And there's 100 centimeters in 1 meter. So I have that 3 times. And my meter labels cancel off, and I'm left with 100 times 100 times 100. So that's a 1 with 2, 4, 6 zeros. So that would be 1 million cubic centimeters. Convert $12 per hour to cents per hour. So there are 100 cents in 1 hour, or in $1. So the dollars cancel off and I'm left with 1,200 cents per 1 hour. So it'd be 1,200 cents per hour. Convert 10 yards per second to, so 10 yards per 1 second to feet per minute. So I need to go, first thing I need to go from yards to feet. So there's 3 feet, 1 yard, because now the yards cancel. Now I need to go from seconds to minutes. So there's 60 seconds in 1 minute. So the second labels cancel off. Now I'm left with 10 times 3 is 30. 30 times 60 is 1,800. This is 1,800 feet. The bottom I just have the label minutes. So 1 minute. And this one convert 1 million cubic millimeters to cubic centimeters. And there are 10 millimeters in 1 centimeter. But I have 3 of those. And the labels cancel off. And now I'm left with 1 million divided by 10 times 10 times 10 is 1,000. And that would give us 1,000 cubic centimeters. And the last problems. Keisha set a school record running 440 yards in 1 minute. Find Keisha's average speed for the run in miles per hour. So you got 440 yards in 1 minute. And we need to go in miles per hour. So first we need to go from yards to miles. So I know 1 mile is 1,760 yards. So that takes care of the yard label. And now I need to go from minutes, so 60 minutes in 1 hour. And that cancels out the minute label. So now I have 440 times 60 is 26,400. This would be miles over 1,760 hours. So divide that by 1,760. That is an average of 15 miles per hour. And the last one, convert 1 gallon per day to quarts per hour. And I know that there are 4 quarts in 1 gallon. That takes care of the gallon. And I know that there are, in 1 day, there's 24 hours. So that takes care of the day label. So I have 4 quarts over 24 hours, which would give us 1/6 a quart per hour. So that is our lesson today on multiple unit multipliers.